guys, Ray here with Mastermind Traders Academy. All right, so today it is Saturday, um, June 8th, 2019. And what I'll be doing is walking you guys through these currency pairs. Now, of course, this is the first time I'm looking at the chart since yesterday. So bear with me, guys, as I do my analysis. It may not be as quick as when I do prepare by looking at the charts prior to making my videos. So, all right, let's get with it. All right, so we are on the euro dollar right now, and we're on the daily chart, and we can see a strong up move on the daily chart based off these this triple bottom right here. So with this triple bottom, we want to find out where this actually why market hit this level of support and then rallied upwards. Now, what we want to do, since we can't find anything to the left of the chart, we want to go to a larger time frame. So let's go up to A to W1 and see what was going on. Now on W1, if you guys notice this, if we look all the way to the left, you'll see where the market reacted numerous times here. And it just so happened that price came down and retested these same levels. So it goes to show past resistance becomes future support. And this was all the way back in 2016. And then the market hit support again back in 2019. Now, since we're on the weekly chart, we want to identify where price is likely to go. And what I'm seeing here is this cluster right here of resistance. We're expecting the market to retest these highs. Not sure if by next week, but I'm expecting the market to retest these highs some point in the future. So right now, my bias on this pair is strictly bullish. Now, also, if we look at the MACD and where price is, look at what happened here. The market hit a low there. Let me draw that. And so did the MACD. So the MACD and price hit a low at the same time. What happened next is that the market created a new low, but the MACD created a new high. MACD created newer low, MACD created a higher high. So right here we have what is called divergence. So let me see if I can write that there. Oops. So we got divergence. And this is considered to be a bullish divergence. Okay? So we got a bullish divergence here, where we're expecting the market to continue rallying back into these levels of resistance at some point. All right, now let's head down to the smaller time frame. All right, so back on the daily chart, again we see here at 114.47, let's say 114.50, we got a nice set of resistance up here. Looking at these levels right here, now we were expecting market to actually hold at these levels. Honestly, I was expecting price to hold at this level and then dip, but instead it actually broke over resistance here, if you can see. So we see a break of resistance at that level. Therefore, very likely price is going to continue going higher right there. We're seeing this level as resistance. If we look over here, nice resistance, nice resistance, nice resistance, nice resistance, support. So past support again becomes future resistance right there. So we're expecting the market to actually head into this level of resistance. Now, what's my trade bias on this trade? Well, price has already left the station right here, guys. Price has already left the station again, past resistance becoming support here. And what I'm looking for is a sell trade back in from these levels right here. So I'm actually willing to wait for price to hit this level of resistance and then look for a sell trade back down into these levels at some point. All right, now let's move down to the smaller time frame. Now, this is not to say if I don't see a nice trade setup, I wouldn't take it, but I'm never the one to chase after the market. And since price has already left the station, it's very hard for me to actually jump into a trade. I'm not one of those trend traders that chases after price. I want price to come to me. So it can take some time. I do tell you that. It can take some time for price to get to this level, or it could happen within a day or two. We don't know. But if I'm looking to trade this, this is what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at this level as currently support. And I'm looking at this level as currently resistance. Where is price in relation to the support and resistance level? It's in the middle, right? So, with that being said, price could actually do that, or price could actually do that. So there's some level of indecision right there as a trader, where I would not advise trading at this point. Now you can make some short-term trades. I'm not in for short-term trades. I'm in for the long haul. I'm in for long gains. So if I'm going to trade this, I'm going to trade this at one of two levels. I'm going to trade this either at the resistance level, or I'm going to trade it if price comes back down to the support level. That's basically it. So I'm looking at 112.15, 112.20 as my support level to see if price actually comes back into this level. Then I'll look for a price action movement to go long, or if price gets into this resistance level, then I'll look for a trade to go short. So that's basically it on the Euro chart. Now again, guys, a lot of you might disagree with my analysis and said, hey, it's going to take too much time for price to get into these levels. Well, guess what? I really don't care. Um, I've been doing this for quite some time, and I get to learn over that period of time that chasing the market is very costly. So I want to wait for price to either get to my R level or get to my S level before making a trade decision. Now, if you guys like what you've just seen and want to see the entirety of the video, head over to my website at mastermindtradersacademy.com. Here, you can subscribe to my new Facebook group for a low cost of $1 for 30 days. After which, it's going to be $29.99. Pretty affordable. And what I try to do here is one trade, just one trade on a mini size account can actually pay for your subscription on a monthly basis. Usually, one of our trades is anywhere from 50 pips to 150 pips. So, very likely you'll be able to make profit and be able to pay for your subscription. All right. Another thing that you will be getting is weekly market analysis, ongoing training, networking with like-minded traders, and of course, you get to ask me anything within the group. If you guys have specific currency pairs you want to analyze, hey, shoot it out to me. I can give you my opinion on it. All right. So until next time, take care.